Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margherita pizza at home. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients, focusing on quality for that authentic taste. We'll start by preparing a simple, homemade pizza dough. Combine flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt, then knead until smooth. Remember to let the dough rise for at least 1 hour in a warm place, allowing it to double in size for a perfect crust. Next, let's prepare our sauce and toppings. For the sauce, crush high-quality San Marzano tomatoes by hand, adding a little salt and a drizzle of olive oil. This simple approach truly highlights the tomatoes' natural sweetness. Slice fresh mozzarella into 1/4-inch pieces, ensuring even melting. Finally, have fresh basil leaves ready to add right before your pizza goes into the oven. Now it's time to assemble and bake your pizza. Gently stretch your risen dough into a 10 to 12-inch circle, aiming for an even thickness. Spread your delicious tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Arrange the mozzarella slices and basil leaves on top. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the crust is golden and cheese is bubbly. Once your pizza is out of the oven, it's time for the finishing touches. A light drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil enhances the flavors beautifully. Garnish with a few more fresh basil leaves for an aromatic finish. Let it cool for just a minute or two, then slice and serve immediately. Enjoy your homemade margherita pizza, a true taste of Italy right in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.